She doesn't have them, so don't even ask her. Why Jerry is so annoying?
Hey Daddy, you say kick. How about a kick in your balls? I'm gonna say kick. How about a kick in your nuts? How about a kick in your nuts? Stop making me laugh. How about a kick in your nuts?
Eat? Crazy.
I'm not crazy. Wow, that is big. Oh my goodness! At least you guys are.
Quel eat? Ça?
Give me a butt.
Hij is een lees moe?
Give me them balls.
Ah,
Give me them balls. Give me them.
they are boys, they are silly. Doesn't matter. You're the cutest of all. And you're the smartest actually between them. So, she's the smartest. She's a genius.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
she's actually in the genius program.
What?
Tell them.
What is genius program?
A program for gifted childs. Gifted, just like Professor Xavier and his mutant.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
また、エスカレーターをご利用の際、お歩きになるお客様がいらっしゃいますと、
Why is it so big?
の原因になりますので、
No, not that big. This. Are they actually machines?
They're the one from Resident Evil.
I know. I wanna attack them. Yeah, like the pigeons that you always attack. Daddy, what are you doing?
さえご利用ください。Thank you for coming.
Daddy, what was it? Red Dead 2?
18.
Red Dead 18?
What? Resident Evil?
Oh, no, the thing like the cowboy. The cowboy, Red.
Red Dead Redemption.
Oh, yeah, Red Dead Redemption. Daddy always killed the pigeons.
There.